Does the good girl want a shower? Stella, you having a good time? Good girl? Are you enjoying your shower? You look so peaceful. Have a nice shower. We're all done. He says bye to you.
You're so cute. Mwah. What happened? Oh my goodness. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Tiki room. Tiki room. Oh, it's good. I love you. Beep. Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh, okay.
Can you come in? Don't touch. We just go to Jer's house. I don't think he likes it.
Step up. Step up. Step up. That's what happens to birds who don't step up.
This little guy is definitely a fan of Pirates of the Caribbean.
Keys.
If you don't want him getting overweight, you'd better hide the seed box more carefully.
That's a typical male, overdramatic.
Calm down.
1, 2, 3.
Watch till the end to see how this tiny feathered star keeps stealing the spotlight with its humor.
Recording now. All right, we call this bird opening computer. Good job.
That white cape really makes this singer stand out on stage, doesn't it?
Nope.
This grooming behavior from the parrot shows bonding and that it sees you as part of its flock.
You're bad. Yeah. Huh? You tell her. You're a bad boy.
Oh boy, with those wings, you definitely can't give Mum a sky tour, buddy. A dad and his favorite child. Parrot be like, what's this? This is my house. Oh, how dare you act like that?
Hello. Hello. What the fuck?
Все, угорелся, что ли? Ой, какой шибика.
When dads teach their sons how to flirt, when kids don't get the attention they want,
야, 그만해. 그만해. 또 그만해. 되잖아.
Ты понимаешь, что ты и так все к чертовой матери мне в этом доме разнесла? Я не дам тебе грызть компьютер. Нет, на, вкусняшку, на. Отстань, пожалуйста, я документы делаю. Это очень важно. Are we all doing the same? 1, 2, 3.
meeting your girlfriend's family always goes smoothly until you meet her dad.
Ты посмотри на нее. Где она? Где эта выдра? Ты посмотри, она уже за горизонт ушла. Свобода. Боже, а что делать теперь?
Hi, dude. Well, hello.
The look of a guy in love, shy, but trying to take the initiative.
I'll go right ahead.
Ay, mi chiquitico. Qué lindo ese pajarito chiquito. Qué pajarito más chiquitito.
Parrot be like, you'd better stay in there until your feathers are completely dry. Looks like it's time for this little nurse to change the bandage.
Leo.
They really know how to make single people jealous. He's subtly reminding you that it's feeding time.
Ой, молодец какой. Окна уже не вырезает.
不可以，没有大拇啊！痛，很痛，大拇哥回家了，没有，大拇哥回去了。
I bet he never hangs out after work hours.
Jody, this is my only copy of Greenberg the Vampire. This was a collector's item. There's nothing to squeak about. Look what you did, you monster. Can you imagine?
How long are you gonna stay over here? You've been here for 30 minutes. Why? Why have you been over here, dude?
There's definitely some obvious favorites.
Gostoso! Lindo!
Ruby! Yo! Yo! What's up?
Me and my friends when we don't have our phones.
Kiss? Kiss?
This family's bedtime routine is adorable, isn't it?
Good. What are you doing? Hello, Bubba. Hello. What are you doing?
If parrots don't naturally wear down their beaks, they can grow too long.
Find your bird today and look who's stuck. Lovey, what are you doing? Little rascal.
Everyone needs a best friend who can cheer them up like this.
Look at the beak on that baby. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall.
Lights are done, so
What are you doing?
there is
Clearly, he has his own preference when it comes to getting petted.
I missed it. Can you do it again? Ooh, can you kiss me? Kiss me, please. Can I have a kiss? Thank you.
Grandkids, when they see Grandpa cooking their favorite dish, be like,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy dear Tika. Happy birthday to you.
I'm guessing this coworker helps you relieve stress without affecting your work, right? The main vocal of this band is definitely the parrot.
Nope. Huh?
E aí, cara? Era mãe, viu? O desespero dele.
Turns out parrots don't just mimic voices, they can mimic actions too.
Ow!
I'm guessing this PT would talk non-stop just to make sure you finish enough reps. Parrot be like, why didn't I know about this sooner? My wings are better now.
Were you supposed to take my hair? Huh? All right then. Okay. No.
Every parrot has a different personality, and some of them totally deserve their own comedy show. Every girl after getting a hairstyle she truly loves be like, if you want hands-on makeup lessons, contact this parrot.
playful.
No.
Look, I put my foot.
He's determined to steal every girl's hearts on the dance floor. The way to become the ruler of the house is to find your opponent's weakness.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Du hattest schon.
That vacuum cleaner must feel a lot of pressure with this supervisor around.
And they really grind my gear. She told me that she didn't have to walk them through. And that's not the case. She's supposed to walk them through.
So there goes the water bill. And don't ever make a drink and walk away.
Ruptured spleen, minor concussion. He's obviously going to get the surgery. When he gets, the father was drunk. Sounds like they switched places and she covered for him. How can you avoid a DUI as far as you're covering your sons?
Stewie.
Yeah, acting without thinking like that won't solve anything, buddy.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. You little shit.
Silly antics really attract kids.
Yeah. Don't laugh at me. Don't. Kiko. Stop biting Dad. Don't. Stop it.
Wonder which pretty lady they've just spotted.
Vad gör du så? Nej.
When parrots feel safe, they show self-relaxing behaviors like this. With this level of creativity, he'll turn the whole house into his personal playground.
يا حب كل الاشراف فيه. طيب بيروح يشوف من يتكلم. راح شفيا.
我操！他是不是认为自己是蝙蝠？
Oh wow, you're way too cute to cosplay as a bat, buddy.
That's so good. You want to try?
This is what ballet looks like when danced to hip-hop music. This security camera could probably cover every angle of the house. Looks like he mistook the girl's hair for a nest.
Hi, baby.
Average fangirl, when their idol song comes on, be like, this is how sandalling bird forage at sea. Don't miss the next video. See ya!